Hello, traders. Welcome back to ES Vibration Trading. If you have the right frequency and you apply that frequency as a base volume unit to the natural volume, you can start seeing some patterns and rhythms of the market not seen easily. So the logic is we have to look at the frequency run for the last 5 pivots, so we can assume that that is going to be the play for the day. And usually early morning, which is Euro session or the Asia session, will expose their frequency they want to run on for the upcoming American session. So right here, this day, you can see Asia session was rotating on 299. So we have to first look at the numbers which are matching closely. So it's 299, 299, I see 299, right? So once you hit the 299 again, we have to see in the last run frequencies how this has worked out. So 299 is the highest vibration counter you can see here. And right here is the 299. Obviously, you can use some oscillator and other opportunities. So let's put some simple oscillator here. Let's put stochastic. So you can see that it is around 80% and we're expecting market to go short. So what we are doing is we are trying to confirm that with the actual real rhythm of the market for a specific time frame. And this is where it showed up, 299, and it was giving us a good indicator that market is going to hit down from there because that is how it is vibrating. Got a good, nice move. On the right side, as of today, you can just see that market is now we have to find out the rhythm here. What rhythm is it playing? It's playing 200, 100, 100, 100. So we can see that 100 showed up twice just before the market opened up. And this is the third 100. So we want to go with the third strike within the last 5 pivots. The third strike is what we are after. One strike 100, second strike right here, third strike here, boom, shot. Then around this pivot of sequencing, this is 1, 2, and third 100 again. Pull back and third 100 again. And this happened here again within the last 1, 2, and the third 100 again. See that? How market is reacting nicely for 10, 20, 30 points. This was the better one because of the location and as well as the location of your oscillator as well as the counter. So if you had caught this, should be good for that day. Let's look at one more example. This is recent days happening right now. Same thing. We had a huge run. So first of all, let's see anything we see in the nightly session. $388 happened once. 97, 97. So here you can see the frequency showing 97 and double of that. You can just see here 97, 97. So 97 seemed to be an obvious frequency and the double is right here. And double of that is 388. See that? So it is vibrating to the base frequency of 97, 97, 194, 388. The third strike 97 is right here. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. It was sitting on VWAP. 388 was not the third strike, but it was, that is what it was. So 194, 194 1, 194 2, and 291, 291, 291. So you can just see how the day's frequency is picked up, and it just does that. So 97, 97, 97, uh, 97 right here. So market came down, went up again, almost to the VWAP. 97 came in. That is how the market frequency. This is missed by one number, but 194, 195 is the same thing, right? And I'm thinking, this should also be a higher multiplier if I go for it. So this day, frequency was hitting a 97 baseline. So that is one use of it. If you add 97 and 291 is 388. 97 plus 291 is 388 as well. Okay. So 291, so 97 here, I would be a nice one to take because of 97. It came down here. You have taken this. There are a lot of other rules as well, but just want to show you the frequency has right frequency at the right value. And also we have something called loss of power. This frequency, you can see it went up to 91, then went up 97, then went. Look at the movement it took. It took the movement from here to here was 194 effort. Here to here, same distance, 197. So this losing power. That's what it is going on. This is losing power. And if you do 291 minus 97 is 194, right? Oscillator was not showing much. It was around 67. We have better oscillators as well, but we got that idea. So 97 is a good play, and the double 194. The same thing here. Huge move came in, 167 effort. Then now we can see W pattern also, but see the same loss of power. See that is losing. The sellers are going away, lost their steam on our frequency, on our location. And this is how we look at it. And then market has opened up. We have other indicators we can use during the open. All right, so you got the idea how market is vibrating. So let's look at one more. Last example is fascinating to me. There are a lot of implications of this simple math, adding the numbers, subtracting the numbers, they're all linked, very beautifully linked, because we have the baseline frequency of ES market, how the frequency is doing it. Okay, so let's go and check this day. So I found 290, 280s, 293s, and 280 minus 93 is 187. You can just see. Okay, so 280, 93. So let's see how that works out. And you can just see how much volume was put in. Huge volume was put in to make this move. But anyways, so let's see if we had any frequencies of what we're looking for. 374 right here. 374, market came down, it came up, retesting on 374, just like we saw 288. 374, 374, 187, all tradable. Now it also went to little higher frequencies as well, but we can check that. We can do the simple math. So let's try that quickly in Excel and see what we find. Okay, so let's check this out and see. So 375, 375, 375 is one of them. 187 is one of them. And let's see, equal to, if we do 468 minus 187, you can just see that is also linked with 280. This is also linked with 280 right here. There's a higher multiplier. So 375, sorry, equal to 375 plus 280 is 655. Hold on, what am I doing? So let's do the base first. I apologize. So let's do the base 375. Let's do one thing. Let's do simple mathematics. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's do simple base multiplier of equal to this times 280 on 1, and let's roll it down and see what numbers are we getting. That's easier, right? So, oops. So 560, this is doubling effect. Okay, so now let's do the same thing with this times 93. 280, 93, and because we found multiple of 93s, and then we'll do 187 equal to 187 times this. All right. So this is a math. I think most of things should be on this. So 375 is right here. Right here, right? So 375 is here. 375, 375, 375. 93. Okay, so that is there. 560. How many 560s do we have here? We have 560 here, 560 here, right? So, okay. 375 is here. We already checked that one. We got a lot of 375s. 187. We have 187 here. We have 187 here. That was pretty base frequency. 187. 7. Let's see. So 476. This is almost 476. You know, few numbers. I will have taken this anyways. If oscillator condition gave me the signal, it did. Yes. It's on the. Okay. It was 50% not there. So anyway, let's check more. So I think 9:35 is right there on the top. Early morning, 2 o'clock. Vibrating, vibrating, vibrating. 9:35. Oscillator is ready to go short. It is part of a frequency. 180, multiplier. So that is there. 375 is there. 187 is there. 1400 is not there. This is fine, no problem. 560 is there, 560 is there, 280 is there, 93 is there, 470 is there, 936 is there, right? And this is around 130. All right, so I think we got a good hits, I would say, on this day. All right, so this is how we can, look at some things. Now let's check this. This is pretty obvious. 190.99 is like, is frequency is a shifting. So 195, 195. So we had 195, 97 multiplier, 97 multiplier. So let's check that 97 multiplier. So here I will change that to 97. 97. Okay, 194 is here, 97 is there, 194 is there, 291 is there, 97, 97, 291. The whole frequency was based on what we discovered early morning. Okay, and 873 is missed. As time goes on, frequency is a little bit of shifting other way around, but 3, so you can see it's all missing now. The higher misses are going on, but it's fine. Almost tradable. 393 is 388, so 5 volume of unit. That's why we use some kind of oscillator to help us out as well. Okay, 296 right here, 296. I want to go to 97 times 2. See if we get some bigger numbers. $880. So you can see all these higher numbers are missing by 6, plus minus 5 or 6. So, but the point is that we are able to see the frequency shifts, and we are able to see that the frequency is working 294, 294, 294, right? And then we have a bias. Bias is given by this guy. It's telling me, market has gone down minus 1000, so which is nothing more than the ticks at VWAP. So we can take this. So you can use better oscillator too, but I just wanted to show you something. So now we can prove that this is a solid way to understand the frequency and the vibration, why market is doing what it is doing. It is running some multiplier for that day, 24 hours. They keep shifting it. Thank you.